Hi, I'm Dr. Nilofer Aga, and I've been in the field of training for over 18 years now. I started off with training in the education sector, where I used to do a lot of train the trainer programs. So the number of years that I have been working at Pragati is from 2008 to 2013, and close to something like 150 programs that I have done. Training is a passion area because one is I love to share the knowledge that I have. I like to share it with others, and in doing so I also feel that I learn from other people's experience and their knowledge, and so with that give and take of that knowledge we both grow.
Second was very interesting. Our madam, where is 27? And she, see her ladder of inference. Ladder said, surely, so assumption was there, that some trick is being played. She assumed that 27 has been removed.
Myself, Aparna Shinde, I am from Atlas Copco Compressor Technique Service Division. The Pragati leadership and the Madam Nilofer had given more insight to us and a lot of information which we got in this managerial effectiveness program.
So the type of programs that I do are team building, emotional intelligence, personal effectiveness, managerial development programs, interpersonal skills, communication and assertiveness.
I am Rajesh Boricha from Atlas Copco India Limited from Common Services Division. This is the second time I am attending a program with Nilofer. I am very thankful for my management and also to Pragati that for designing such a beautiful program for us.
Somewhere I also feel that I'm making a difference in some small way to my participants. Even if they take back one iota of whatever we have covered, it would give me great satisfaction. Bring appropriate examples for their appropriate sectors is definitely a challenge. So while I do a pre-program study, and that's how I try to also update my understanding of the profile of the people, they want very, very specific situations to be sort of addressed. And for that again, yes, I do try to read up about the sector and get a better understanding.
I am Rajesh Khetrupal. I have come here to attend the training from Nasik. In the 2 days tenure program, we really found this meeting quite meaningful. Madam Aga has put her best efforts to give all guidelines on this training program.
And also it also coincides with my passion for traveling and meeting people, and so when I train, that's what excites me, meeting different people across sectors. They have different experiences, and when they share and many of them call back and tell me about how certain things have helped them, that gives me a big high.